Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls, the best thing in all the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Singing brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls, the best thing in all the world. I never trade you for anybody else. Say. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a brown skin girl tutorial. I have been very inspired by the Lion King soundtrack, The Gift. I absolutely love this song, Brown Skin Girl. And I want to show you how you can really accentuate your brown skin this summer. And if you have oily skin, this is the tutorial for you. Okay, I'm gonna do my full face. I can show you every product that I used. And yeah, I hope you guys like the little singing at the beginning, you know. I like to sing and whatnot. So I hope you enjoyed that. And you know, if this is your first time, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Yeah, so without further ado, let us get into this tutorial. Like, I don't need to say much, but I just want to say these lashes, y'all. Live. Yeah. The deets are going to be coming in the video, of course, but I hope you guys enjoy. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your bell on for notifications. Let's go. This product that I'm going to be using today is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. And Fresh sent this to me complimentary. And I actually really love Fresh, guys. I love their lip products. This is my first time using a skincare product. So I was like, let's see what's popping. But what I like is that there's sugar in it, and sugar is a natural humectant, so it's gonna draw water from the environment onto your skin. And then you have strawberry, which has a lot of vitamin C. It's vitamin C rich, so it's gonna help with lightening dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So that combination is like exfoliating and brightening, and you know I'm all about that. So this retails for $33 for 4.2 fluid ounces. I would recommend using this not more than 3 times a week, maybe twice a week, if so much. But yeah, then I followed up with the Mamond, I hope I'm saying that right, Pore Clean Toner. So this brand, I actually read up on them and I like their concept. So everything about flowers and using nature to really help your skin. So this one has the heart leaf, which is supposed to help with sebum control and pore tightening. It has natural mineral clay, which absorbs excess oil, and it is supposed to help you mattify your skin. So you'll know in this hot girl summer how you know I can get really oily and you may get really oily. So having a mattifying toner can really help with oil control. So after all of that, then I go in with my Benefit, the PoreFessionl primer. Y'all, in the summertime, I wear primer. I hardly wear foundation, but I wear primer because I really want to mattify my skin even more and, you know, help everything just stay together and not like slide off of my face. So in this routine, we will not be wearing foundation. We're going to be using concealer. And my holy grail concealer is from the drugstore, y'all. It is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, and it is in the shade C16. Now this is literally the color of my skin, y'all. So all I do, and I think I mentioned this in the past, that I use this when I don't want to use foundation. And because it's the color of my skin, sometimes I do go in and add a lighter concealer just over it. But wherever I see hyperpigmentation on my skin, you know, mustache area, around my mouth, I would just go in with this concealer and blend that out. right? This is to even out my skin tone. I still want to look very minimalist, right? I take it all down here because I do have hyperpigmentation on my contour line, right? So you see that concealer evened out my skin. So I'm looking very flawless, but I don't even look like I have anything on. I don't look like I have anything on my face. This just looks like skin. And that is what we're trying to achieve, okay? Brown skin girl, your skin look like pearl, okay? So now I'm just gonna lightly do my brows. So yeah, my brows, don't judge me. They're like cousins right now. And at this point, I can't be bothered. So to highlight under my eyes now, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty 400, and I'm not gonna put too much of this. This concealer does dry quickly, so I'm just gonna work one side at a time. Right, and this is to brighten up. So my skin is well prepped. You just want people to say, oh my god, your skin is beautiful, and you just be like, thanks. I got it from my mama. And these days I have not been using my beauty sponge. Like, I know, right? Who am I? So then I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead as well, because I want to brighten up the center of my forehead. Then I am gonna go in with my Becca Hydra Mist, y'all. This powder is life. I don't see people talking about it online at all, but I really like it. And every time I open it, because the powder is so fine, it just like poofs into the air. But this has like a cooling technology, and when it touches your skin, it's cool. So it is amazing for the summertime. So you'll see how it's looking so far. Very put together, very much like skin still. I'm even seeing a glow coming through. Do y'all see that? I think the powder may have some type of reflective property. It may, because are you all seeing that little highlight right there? That is not highlight. I didn't even put any highlights on. Alright, y'all, so I mentioned this in a video maybe like 2 weeks ago, but I've really been using it. This Morphe palette, this is the, what's the name of this one? I think, alright, I'll put it up on the screen, the name of this one. But this shade here, Beat and Witty, I've really been mixing these two as a highlight. I like that they're very lightweight, like they're super finely milled. So it doesn't make your skin look textured at all. So I would say if you have textured skin, you probably would like this palette. And I also think that it is brown skin girl friendly. At first I was just like, is it friendly? But it is. Even the blush, like I just swirl my brush to the bottom, use all the blushes all at once. But I'm not gonna use those blushes today. I'm gonna be using my Sasha blush. I haven't talked about Sasha in my channel in a while. Sasha is a Trinidad and Tobago brand. They are like brown skin girl approved. This shade is called Wendy 2. I don't think they have this shade anymore. If y'all don't know, Wendy Fitzwilliams was our Miss Universe 1999, like Miss Universe of the entire world. Trinidad and Tobago won in 1999, and we love Wendy. So they named this after her, but I don't think they sell this anymore. So I was so happy that I was able to find this before they discontinued it. Do you see that color? Oh, this purple is so cute. For the eyes, I'm gonna do something really simple. Yo, my Fenty Beauty. Look at it. Broken. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm gonna just take this all over my eyes. So I'm taking Mocha Mami all over my eyes. And that's one thing I like about Fenty products. Very multi-use. Like, this is a bronzer, but you can also use it on your eyes. So we're gonna take our Saharan blush palette, volume 1, and take Abby and hit that real contour. And then I'm gonna take some of Bay, which is another shade from this Morphe palette, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone because I love a brow bone highlight. Right, but we're really going to blend those two seamlessly together. Then we're just gonna go in with Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, and on the very thinnest line, no wing. So I'm super excited about this part because I'm gonna be showing you some lashes from a very good friend of mine. She launched a lash line, Shade Chic, and she has 3 style of lashes. So this one is called Shade. So this one is called Fashionably Laid. Do you see that crisscross detail? And then this one, which I've worn before, is called Oh So Chic. I like this, I think, the most because it goes from short to long, and you all know I like a wing. I'm wondering which one I should wear today, and I think I want to wear Fashionably Laid. Like, I think I want to be extra today and wear Fashionably Laid. Do you know sometimes you go like very minimalist and light on your makeup, but then you want to throw on the biggest lash that you have? Like, that's the vibe. So I'm gonna link her Instagram down below. She was having a sale. So yeah, check my girl out. Tell her that I sent you. What's poppin'? Ooh! Yo, I just feel like you can't talk to me. You cannot talk to me! I love these lashes. I need to buy another pair of you. Let me message Shade Chic right now. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Wonder Pencil from NYX, and this is in the shade Dark, and we're just going to line that waterline. Oh my gosh, I don't know, I think that I'm looking so cute. What do you guys think? Okay, so for the lips, what I've been doing is using my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso just to line my lips. This is like the perfect liner shade for brown skin girls. Then I'm gonna put on Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fussy. I want my lips to be really glossy. I was looking back at my very first review of this gloss, and I said, you don't really need it. What is it, $18 for this gloss? And I was like, you can skip it. I have all 3 and I absolutely love them. It is not skippable. Don't skip. Take my word for it. Okay, so this is the end of my brown skin girl tutorial, and I don't have on any foundation. Okay, so it is hot girl summer approved, where brown skin girls or skins like pearls, also our skins like diamond. Okay, Riri is making sure that our skin is shine bright like a diamond. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you would subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc. on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night, guys. Bye.